Did you know that your crawl space could be your ultimate storage hack? A lot of homeowners overlook a perfectly good home storage option right under their feet, the crawl space. Today we'll explore how to transform your crawl space into a storage area. Now, before you start storing anything, it's crucial to protect your crawl space and belongings from moisture and pests. You should never store anything valuable in a crawl space that's still exposed to the elements. That's where crawl space encapsulation comes in. This is how it works. First, you have to seal off any openings like vents or doors in the crawl space. Then, install a heavy-duty vapor barrier, preventing moisture from the ground from seeping in and locking out pests. Drainage matting, sump pumps, and dehumidifiers help handle any water issues and maintain healthy air quality. Once the crawl space is safe and dry, it's perfect for all your storage needs. After you've made sure your crawl space is safe from moisture, mold, and pests, it's time to get it ready to fit your belongings. Here are some tips on how to make the most of your space. Make sure the floor is relatively level to prevent your items from shifting around too much. Shelving is a great addition that you can either build yourself or find in stores. This creates a clean, organized surface for your belongings and makes the most of the vertical space you have access to. Use airtight plastic containers or totes to store your items, and make sure you label everything clearly. You'll thank yourself later when you need to find something quickly. Curious about what's safe to store down there? Here's your answer. Good options include seasonal items like holiday decorations, camping gear, sports equipment, or off-season clothing. If you have the space, outdoor furniture like foldable patio chairs can spend a winter inside. Just make sure any outdoor items are totally dry and free of grass or debris to prevent moisture from accumulating in storage. And definitely don't bring any items inside while it's raining. Even if your crawl space has been encapsulated, you should probably avoid storing anything sensitive to moisture and temperature changes. This means no photos, important documents, electronics, or delicate fabrics. Cardboard boxes can get wet and start to break down or rot, and sharp or pointy objects that can puncture the vapor barrier are definitely a no-go too. Know someone who needs more storage space? Share this video to help them unlock the hidden potential of their crawl space. Transforming your crawl space into a safe and efficient storage area requires a little planning and professional expertise. Encapsulating your crawl space is an essential step you shouldn't skip if you want to make sure your items stay safe and dry. Contact Groundworks today for a free crawl space inspection and encapsulation estimate.